to teach all of you. So today I want to talk about mystery, okay? Mystery. Does anybody know what mystery is? What is mystery? Mystery. Okay, mystery is something that happens that we don't understand or that we don't know the answer to. Okay, so for example, if we are all in this classroom and the door is closed and I have my pen here, okay, I have my pen here and I turn this way and I turn back and my pen is gone. But everyone says they don't know where it went. That's a mystery, okay? Because the door was closed and everybody was here. Okay, so that's a mystery. So often we watch mystery movies, we read mystery books. A very famous mystery is, does everybody know Sherlock Holmes? Sherlock Holmes with Robert Downey Jr., the guy who plays Iron Man. Anybody? Okay, well he's a very, very famous detective, okay, detective. Very famous, and he solves many mysteries, okay? So in the movie Sherlock Holmes, he has to solve different mysteries, okay? So mysteries are things that we can't comprehend in our brains. We have to figure out, okay? So today we're going to kind of do some activities based on mystery. And today it's really icky outside, so it adds to the mystery feeling, right? Okay? So here are some important words when we're talking about mystery. One is a guess, okay? A guess is to make an opinion about something without evidence, okay? Evidence is proof, okay? Proof. So if I said that you stole my pen, I am just guessing. I do not have evidence. I don't have proof, okay? But if I said you stole my pen and I saw the blue on her hands, if I saw blue on her hands, that is proof, that is evidence, okay? So if I saw evidence on her, I can make a deduction. A deduction is a conclusion made based on evidence. So a guess and a deduction are two different things. A guess is something we make when we don't have evidence, okay? So usually a guess is not true. Usually a guess is false. But a deduction, we have evidence. So usually it is true. Usually what we say is right if we have evidence, okay? So our first activity today is making guesses and making deductions and using evidence, okay? So first, let's start off with pictures. Very easy, okay? What guesses can we make about this picture? What can we guess about this picture? Remember, a guess has no evidence. We are just, oh, maybe this is France. How do I know this is France? Okay, that's a guess. Just guessing. So what are some guesses we can make? Okay, so I could guess that this is not in Taiwan, but I don't know. I don't have evidence this is not Taiwan. Okay, so that is a guess. I could guess that nobody lives here, but how do I know? I have no evidence, so that is a guess. Okay, so what are some guesses we can make about this picture? What are some guesses? So really anything. You can just say, oh, maybe this is America. That's a guess. Or maybe this is winter. Of course, it's not winter, but it's just a guess. Okay, so now you know what guesses are. Okay, we don't have any evidence. We don't have proof. We just say whatever we think. So many times, people just guess things. But if there is proof, we can make a deduction. So what deduction can we make about this picture? What can we say? So a deduction has proof. There's proof in this picture about something. There's a tree. Yes. Why is there a tree? Oh, hello, come on in. Okay, everybody sit down. I need your student cards. Student cards. And then can I have you sign? Okay, so what we were just doing is talking about a guess and a deduction. Okay, so I'll explain this one more time. So a guess is to make an opinion about something without evidence. Okay, evidence is proof. Evidence means the same thing as proof. A deduction is a conclusion made based on evidence. So it is something we can say because there is evidence, okay? So if I said, today it is raining, that is a deduction because I have proof. It is raining, okay? If I said the chair is red, that is a deduction because I have proof. The chair is red. Do you all agree the chair is red? The chair is red, right? So that is a deduction. If I make a guess, I could say, oh, she is very busy. How do I know she is busy? That's just a guess. Okay, so guessing, we have no proof, no evidence. Everybody understand? Yeah? Okay. So let's go back to this picture. What deduction can we make about this picture? She said, there's a tree. Is there a tree, everyone? Yes, there's a tree. There's proof in the picture. What else can we say? A deduction. Something with evidence. There's clouds. Are there clouds? Yes, there are clouds here. Okay, another thing we could say is maybe this is a farm. Okay, this is where I take a guess and a deduction and put them together. Why do I think it's a farm? Because there is corn. And when there is corn, there is usually a farmer. But the reason why it is not a deduction and not a guess is because we aren't 100% sure. Am I 100% sure that there is a tree? Yes. So that is a deduction. But I am not 100% sure that this is a farm. Okay? It could be just a random field of corn that somebody just grew. Okay? Anybody have any other things they can say about this picture? Anybody? Can we say the weather is nice? How can we say the weather is nice? Where's the evidence? The sky. Okay? The sky has clouds, but there's light. It's sunny. Okay? So we have made a deduction. We have proof. Okay? Can we say that this field of corn is healthy? Yeah, because it's very green. If it was unhealthy, it would be dying in yellow, but it's very green, okay? So that's one example. This is another example. This is another example. Okay, what deduction can we make right away? What do we know about this picture? What happened? There's a fire. There was a fire. And how do we know there was a fire? Because there's firefighters, a fire truck, and they're spraying water. So we just made a deduction. We know there was a fire. Where is our evidence? The firemen, the fire truck, and the water. Okay, what are some guesses? Just guesses about this picture. In Taiwan, okay? So she just made a guess. It's in Taiwan, okay? Who else has a guess? Who else has a guess? Anything. You just guess.
Some people died.
Somebody died. Okay, we're just guessing. We don't know. We have no proof. So we are just guessing. Okay? What other deductions can we make? What do we know? Oh, hello, come on in. Okay, I need your student cards. Thank you. And then, okay, so make an extra line here and here. You might need to write here. Thank you. Good, we have lots of students today. Okay, so what other deductions can we make about this picture? What do we know? What do we know? Is it night?
No.
No. How do we know it's not nighttime?
Sky.
There's sky. There's a sky. Okay, is it light outside? Yes. So is that a deduction? Do we have proof? Yes. So we made a deduction. It is not night, it is day. Okay? What else? Does anybody see anything else? I see something very clear here that we can make a deduction from. Does anybody see this? It's a little small. Look over in this area. What deduction can we make? Over here. What can we say? Over here. Yes, there is Chinese on these signs. So what deduction can we make?
In China or Taiwan.
In China or Taiwan? Because our proof is here on these signs. Okay, so actually your guess was pretty close. Okay? So that's about all we can. That's about all for this picture, okay? So are you starting to understand the difference between guessing and making deductions? Yeah, very clear, very clear difference. Okay, one more. Let's start off with guessing. Remember, guessing you have no proof. Guessing, we're just thinking. What can we guess?
Hong Kong.
Hong Kong. Okay, what else can we guess? Remember, guessing we have no proof.
Hot.
Hot. Okay. Anybody else? Okay, what deductions can we make? There's a lot of evidence here. A lot of evidence. What deductions can we make? What proof do we have? Okay, once again, is it night or day? Day. And how do we know it's day? Because it's light outside, so that is a deduction. What else do we know? What else do we know? Look at the cars. Do you see these cars now? They seem very old-styled cars. Okay? So what could we say about this picture? Was it taken yesterday? No, maybe a few years ago. Maybe 10 years ago. Okay? And why can we say that? Because all the cars are old-styled cars. Okay? What else can we say? Don't be shy, it's okay. My Chinese is terrible too. Okay, so once again, we have what here? We have Chinese words, right? So what can we say? It's either Taiwan or China, because there's Chinese words. Maybe it could be Japan. Maybe, because I know they use Chinese words too. Or maybe, does everybody know Chinatown? Chinatown. USA, Chinatown. They also have many signs. Okay? Let's see here. What else could we say about this picture?